All right, on this second example, you are trying to find the part of the whole. So I know when you learned about fractions and you learned about part of whole, in the fraction, the part was the numerator and the whole or the total amount was the denominator. Same situation here. If you're finding the part, it's going to be the numerator that you're trying to find or the top of the ratio. This time they tell us, or they give us the percent. It says, what number is 36% of 50? So I'm going to, once again, put a proportion into, or on this doc, this Google Doc. The first part of the proportion is going to be the ratio that stands for 36%. So if I'm given a percent like this one, 36%, that's telling me that my first ratio is going to be 36 out of 100. The 36 is the top of the ratio. The 100, because it's percent, is the bottom. Then I'm trying to figure out what number is 36% of 50. 50 is going to be the whole or the bottom of the ratio, okay? So this time, if I'm finding the part of the whole, the variable goes on the top of the ratio. So I'm going to put the X there, and I'm going to put the 50 on the bottom. Now, you can use cross products to solve this one, but honestly, you can probably use a much quicker way to solve it just by looking at it. I can see when I'm looking at the ratio that all I have to do to go from 100 to 50 is to divide by 2. So if I divided 100 by 2 to get 50, I'm going to do the same thing to the 36, and I get 36 divided by 2 is 18. So X equals 18. Now, if you love the cross products way, you are absolutely welcome to do that again. But sometimes I think it's actually more work when you have something this simple. Okay, so 36 divided by 2 is 18. And Eden, you had a question.
Can't you just flip it? Because if you did 50% of 36, it's the same answer.
50% of 36. I